Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. This is another day of our swallow mukbang eating. So this is fufu, Nigerian fufu with plantain, and this is oilless okra with tilapia and goat meat. So watch out for our previous video how we prepare the fufu and how we prepare this oilless okra. Is on my YouTube channel. This okra is delicious. Come and join us as we want to eat. Okay, so this is our oilless okra with tilapia fish.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is Nigeria fufu with plantain. Okay, that's 2-in-1 combo, and this is, as she said, oilless okra with tilapia, fresh tilapia and goat meat. So you are invited.
You are invited.
Wow, this is very lovely. The texture is outstanding. The kids are in school.
See the fufu. You can eat it with light soup.
This is so yummy.
The okra and this.
We need to try this. The Nigeria fufu, the process, how we got it, is on our YouTube channel. The entire process is on our YouTube channel. Water, bring the water.
Green pepper. Only share no. This okra soup.
We are eating our lunch. Tilapia. How we prepare this fufu. This is Nigerian fufu and plantain.
It's a bit like Ghana fufu.
Actually, it's a little bit like that, but the texture.
If you watch how we prepare Ghanaian fufu on our YouTube channel, it's on my YouTube channel how we prepare Ghanaian local fufu.
Ghana fufu is different from Nigerian fufu.
Yes.
the difference here with the Ghana fufu. The Ghana fufu, they use sweet cassava, but the Nigeria fufu, we use bitter cassava.
Yes.
And the processes are both different. So in Ghana fufu, they don't use bitter cassava because it has high amount of cyanide compound, so they don't eat it direct.
Yes.
So that is why the Nigeria fufu goes through that process. So we now, at the end of the process, we now added plantain. So that is what we are eating to make it more nutritious.
This is nice soup. Oilless okra soup.
The goat meat, the tilapia fish has provided the oil that is needed. Wow. Like, share, comment, turn up the notification bell to all. This one is very lovely. Eating this one,
If you have egusi soup, you can use it. Feed it with egusi soup. But this fufu, it goes with draw soup.
When you are eating tilapia, you have to be patient because of the is a bony fish. Unlike mackerel fish, which is more of cartilaginous fish. Try to prepare this for your family. Please, water.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.
As you see, our fufu is finished.
Our fufu is empty. Wow. Don't forget to like, share. Try to share with your friends and family.
Subscribe.
To subscribe is free.
Support us with your
subscription.
Yes, Lord.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to turn up the notification bell to all, so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to be notified. See you in our next video. Bye bye.